everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I got an update today on Carnival Cruise Lines. Specifically, I want to talk to you about a couple of ships. The first one, Carnival Sunshine. This ship was held up in San Juan, Puerto Rico the other day. Couldn't get out of port on time due to technical issues. That means engine problems. The ship was refurbished 5 years ago to the tune of $150 million. It used to look like this, but they've now added penthouse suites and a big water park on the back of the ship, and they did a lot of changes to the public areas. Then the ship was just in dry dock a couple of weeks ago, came out at Freeport Bahamas, and this is her first cruise since dry dock. And she couldn't get out of San Juan because she's got engine problems. Here's the issue. These ships are 20 to 22 years of age, and Carnival is trying to modernize them to be as competitive as they can with their newer ships that are coming off the shipyards. Problem is, you have 22-year-old engines and electrical systems and air conditioning systems, and you can't necessarily completely replace them. You have to modernize them or put in new parts. The problem is that when they go down in the most inconvenient places. Carnival Victory also had engine problems this week. She's going in for a $200 million refurbishment in Cadiz, Spain, but not until 2020, a year and a half from now. And it looks like Carnival is trying to keep these ships going for a few more years to stay competitive as they keep building out new ones. We're going to have to see how this plays out, because if passengers get the idea that these ships are beginning to become unreliable mechanically, you may want to think twice about booking a one-week cruise. So the folks on the Sunshine can't go to Geand Turk, so they were given a $50 credit, and they're going to limp back to Miami. We're going to have to see how this plays out. Taking old 20, 22-year-old cruise ships and refurbishing them is a great idea in a way, but it might be a losing cause with regards to reliability. And we'll follow the story going forward, but it's happening more and more often, in particular with Carnival, because they do have a number of these older ships. Anyway, join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern. We talk cruise ships every day, Saturdays at 2 Eastern. And subscribe to the channel for latest updates. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.